Well, I know it's been a while, but welcome back. Where am I? You're here too? Well, I know it's been a while. A lot of things have been going on here at the Wolftick household. One thing is I've gotten back into mountain biking, and I know what you're thinking. Well, that's not tech. And I know it's not what you guys are used to. I know you're used to the computers and the gaming and the video and the lighting and that kind of thing. But I will say that while this isn't what you're used to, this is still tech. While it's not electrical tech, this is mechanical tech. So we're going to take a look at this frame, these parts, and then we're going to build this bike. Now, before we get started, I do want to say I got some inspiration, and I want to call out a couple of channels out there because without their videos, I would not have had the forethought to even attempt any of this. While I have worked on a lot of cars and a lot of computers and all kinds of things, I've never built a bike. But I did want to tackle it because of these channels. So Kevcentral, Wolftick videos, and Oldshovel. Those three channels really inspired me to take on this project. And I will link below those channels. And nice shout out to everyone on those channels and all the awesome content that they put out. So if you're into mountain biking, if you're into restorations, painting, any of that, budget builds, those three channels, they kind of tackle it all. And I would definitely suggest you go check them out. So first, we're going to look at the frame, that beauty right there. Then we'll look at the parts that we're going to use, and then we'll get to the build. And so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Now this is a Walmart bike, and I did like it when I got it. There were a few things that after riding it a little bit, I started to notice. Mainly things like the bearings, like in the bottom bracket, were starting to cause some wiggles and shifting that I wasn't very happy with. And the colors, or the lack thereof. So this was media blasted and then painted. Then over here, if you see something that is a higher end, it was used, and anything new was what I call an Amazon special. So like I said, sit back, relax, and just enjoy the build. And we'll talk about it when we're done. man, that was a ton of fun. I enjoyed every bit of that. Yes, there were some challenges, but if there isn't a challenge, it's not any fun. So thank you so much for joining me. If you commented below and you were able to guess that it is an aluminum comp, doesn't look like it, I know. That's awesome. I will link all the parts below that I did buy off Amazon. This right here was a RockShox Recon 130 that was used. The brakes are Shimano M31 or ML315. They were used. Everything else was off Amazon, and you'll get the links below. Don't forget to subscribe. I will hopefully be posting more frequently, so look forward to that. I've got, now I know you can't see it, but right here, I've got a softbox light that I made on the cheap that has controllable color lighting, color temperature, so look forward to that one. I won't give away what it looks like, but it looks just like a softbox light. It just gives you all the control on your phone, and it's way cheaper. Again, thank you to Kevcentral, Wolftick Videos, Oldshovel. You guys are awesome. You inspired this. I hope if you guys take a look at it, I hope you like it. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I hope everyone has a great day. See ya.